This is Greg Gallagher with G3 Investors. We're taking a look at a tool that's available on by internet, Finviz. It's a financial visualization software that's free. You can sign up free, and it allows you multiple things. I'm going to talk about, since we're talking about the first week of June, and we were looking at the model portfolio. Here you can see a heat index for the week. This is the 1 week performance for exchange traded funds that are followed by Finviz. And you can see what I was telling you and what I was talking about right here. You can see there's CRE right there with a 6.4 gain. And there's the XLF with a 3.58. There's the XLE. So just right there, it's showing you there's some leveraged ETFs that are also doing good. There's some inverse ETFs. There's a 7% gain right there on the ultra short of the QQQ. But you can also see the big drop in the QQQ. And let's see, where's the XLK? There's consumer cyclicals. We got stopped out of that. And there's XLK. Those are the three that we've got stopped out of during the week. And it shows the sector rotation. What the nice feature here is it also allows us to look at the S&P 500. So you can see what stocks. You can see that Apple was down 4%, Amazon was down 2.8%, Google down 2.6%, Facebook down 2.6%, Microsoft down 2%. So a lot of the big technology leaders that have led this rally this year were sold hard on Friday after making new highs. A lot of them sold off, and you can see the rotation to the big major integrated oil companies, Exxon and Chevron, JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citicorp, Goldman Sachs, Morgan Stanley. There's Charles Schwab up 6%. Some of the regional banks. There's Bank Mellon, that's up 4%. USB, US Bancorp up 3%. State Street up 5.65%. And that's why we went into CRE, which those banks would have been part of that. Some of the consumer. So that's a good summarization of what happens. Some of the other things that Finviz does for you is now you get some ads that you have to click out of real quick, but you can see this is a summarization of what happened for the week, or for Friday. I'm sorry, not for the week, on Friday. The Dow was up 85 points, and the NASDAQ was down 113 points, or 1.8%. The S&P was just down 2 points, so basically flat for the S&P. But on this service, they show you all the gainers and the losers for the week. There's your map of the S&P there, and it's just an absolutely fantastic program. We could enter any sticker symbol here. I'll just put Apple in as an example, and then it gives you gives you a 6 or 7 months chart. Let's see, 8 month chart of Apple, and has all the 50-day moving average, the 200-day, the 20-day, and close out of that. Then it gives you all kinds of financial information and on Apple. Its market cap, there's its price earnings ratio, its forward PE, its PEG ratio, price to sales, price to book, price to free cash flow. It's just an excellent. And then here's all the ratings of all the major brokerage firms that are out there. And then this is the any article that where Apple is mentioned shows up here, and it just goes on and on and on, and then get down and here's the insider trading for Apple. It is just an absolute fantastic. It's got news, breaking news. There's screens you can run. There's all kinds of things. Foreign exchange. You got to make sure you get out of these things. But it's an excellent website, so it's well worth looking into. I use it a lot. I trade with Fidelity, and I basically use Fidelity Active Trader Pro to trade, but I also do a lot of research on using Finviz. That's it for the first week of June. This is Greg Gallagher with G3 Investors signing off and wishing you good trading and good luck.